What if everything you've been told about money is a lie? I grew up thinking working hard was the only way to get rich, but I was so wrong. Today, we're busting 8 money myths that are secretly holding you back from financial freedom in 2025. Stick around because number 7 will blow your mind. If you think working harder will make you richer, you're falling for one of the most dangerous lies ever told about money. Myth 1. Money is scarce. Money's rare like unicorns, right? Wrong. The global economy is worth over $100 trillion. Yet our brains are stuck in scarcity mode because of old beliefs. Heard your grandparents say, save every penny. They lived through the Great Depression, where fear ruled finances. Today, money is literally being created every second in stocks, crypto, businesses, even memes. Money isn't scarce. Your belief is. Myth 2. Money is evil. Money is just a tool. Ever seen a hammer blamed for a crime? Hollywood says rich people are villains. Reality? Money amplifies who you are. It funds dreams, buys medicine, supports causes. Money isn't evil, it's what you do with it that matters. Myth 3. Money comes monthly. 9 to 5 income? That's just one stream. The wealthy? Multiple streams. Investments, royalties, digital products, rentals. If your only income is a job, you're one emergency away from disaster. Myth 4. I don't deserve wealth. Wrong. The universe doesn't check your resume. Wealth isn't a birthright, it's about belief plus action. You're not stealing from anyone, you're creating value. Myth 5. Money is a man thing. That's outdated nonsense. Today, women are launching startups, investing in crypto, out-earning men in tech, finance, and more. Money knows no gender. Power is universal. Myth 6. Money is a good medicine. Retail therapy might work short-term, but that new car, it gets old. Stuff won't fill emotional gaps. Heal the root, not just the receipt. Myth 7. Money is always a menace. Truth bomb, lack of money is stress. Money isn't a burden. It's your freedom. Myth 8. Money talk is taboo. Don't talk about money. Why not? Talking about money is equal to learning, growth, power. Ask friends how they invest. Learn from mentors. Share with family. The less we talk, the more we stay stuck. Let's rewrite these beliefs together. Money is good. Money comes from anywhere. I deserve money. Money is a tool. Money is a solution. Say it. Believe it. Live it. Subscribe if you're ready to ditch the myths and build your wealth mindset. Because this is just the beginning.